Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you why your fast charging isn't working on VIVO X200. So first, make sure that your cable and the charger isn't damaged. So take your cable and search if there isn't any broken. Nope, there isn't any broken spots, so let me just plug it in back. Then power on your phone, go into the settings, battery health and charging, and fast charging, make sure to enable. Then clean the charging port right in here with non-metallic tool. So it can be a Q-tip, it can be a wooden stick, but non-metallic because you may damage the charging port. And you can test with other charger and outlet is your fast charging is working, but I don't have any other right now. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.